The Fondation Vincent Van Gogh occupies a 15th century manor house in Arles, France. Designed by FLUOR Architecture, it was completed in 2014 and is a UNESCO Heritage Site. Artist Bertrand Lavier designed the entrance gate, and a glass installation by Raphael Hefti completes the skylight over the entrance. Exhibits display artists in the context of Vincent van Gogh's paintings. A rooftop terrace gives visitors views over the city, and skylights are oriented to the path of the sun. There are many great places to eat nearby, and we enjoyed lunch at Au Brin de Thym. The design for the foundation transforms a historic structure with contemporary elements to create an elegant contrast between old and new.